Okay, I've got several of these control boxes for my boat, my van. In another boat I've done one in, and I've also been asked how I charge the batteries. Now on this one, it's just a battery under the seat. It's not connected to the engine, it's not connected to an alternator. I've got no trickle charge on it, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to charge this. Okay, am I recording? Yep, there we go. So she's on 12.2 volts. So under my driver's seat, my passenger seat is the one that holds the main battery, which is over there. Anyway, you don't need to know that. So here I've got some Anderson clips. So to charge this particular battery up under this seat, because like I said, it's not connected to anything, I pull the clip out. This is a bit crude this way. I'm actually working on building. I've got some more Anderson clips to make another cable up, so just bear with me. What I got, and I'll show you. So I have a 20 watt solar panel. Okay, the cheapy one. It has cheap connection on the back. I'm just going to find that lead. Bear with me a sec. So it comes with that lead. It's a bit awkward one-handed. You probably get the idea anyway, but let's just do it. Okay, so on the end of the cable I've got two crocodile clips, and this is where it's going to get a bit crude, so apologise for that. So I've made up another Anderson cable or clip. It's not a cable, it's actually an Anderson clip here. That'll then go into the battery, which I'll show. On the other end of this, I needed to charge up my boat battery because I've got a charger in the garage which works off these. They come with it. It's like a wheelchair battery, but we've had them many years. So what I've done, I've connected it via, this isn't going to the battery, by the way, this is the crude bit. This is for charging my boat battery. So what I'm going to do, connect these two crocodile clips to that, and that's the battery, and I'll explain right now. I'll just connect this to the battery, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so that's connected to the battery. No, it's not, it's connected to the lead. 2 seconds, here's the battery one. That one there. Okay, connected to the battery. Then we're going to now put the solar panel in direct sunlight. So it's got on the dashboard. If it gets really nice, I'll put it outside, but at the moment it's on the dashboard because I'm just getting it as a demo purpose. Okay, so this is the crude bit, the two crocodile clips. So what we'll do then is live to live, negative to negative. So let's do that right now. Okay, told you it was crude. So I got one around the steering wheel of my van and the other one around the gear knob. And it's in direct sunlight. I can't see what it's charging, but I will do later on when I check the battery, because remember it was 12.2 volts. So we'll leave that for a few hours, and I'll move the solar panel around as the sun changes direction. So that's going straight to the battery. Let's see what that does. That's the first solar panel. Okay, right. Okay. So it's been on for a couple of hours. So this is, it's a very poor contraption. I will be making a cable extending that, but that's the only trouble, you see, it's that connection, that end, it's a bit awkward. But I will be putting a longer cable on this, and then I'll be putting Anderson connectors on the end. Right, so let's unplug this. Let's see what the charge is like on the inside. Okay, so E comes off. Sorry, it's a little bit crude with the camera work. My daughter's just stole my tripod. Here we go. Let's go and have a look inside. There we go, yeah. So it was 12.2, now 12.5. So the solar panel's working well. So that's good. I'll plug that back in and leave it charging. It should get up to about 13.7 with a bit of luck, and that'll fully charge the battery. Okay, so we know that's working. We'll plug back in again. Let that charge up for the rest of the day, or while the sun's out. I'm going to get out there as well and charge my batteries up and get some vitamin D. Okay, thank you very much. If you watched the video, take care, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!